Here, where you had you here from?
From Ansheen.
Ansheen.
From
I like it.
Marine.
Fresh it up, me can see it. Do the attitude it up, me see it. Hold it and flick it up, me see it. Jab it up. Where you say you added from? After what, Sheen? Sheen hear them here? I could hear them here for Sheen?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Me love people, man. Me no want no man off of my own. Any man no want me and then have a woman, me no want no man we no have no woman. Me like the man them have them woman because me like the competition. Me like when no man they see me on the road, I'll fling big stone on my head back and knock me out clean on the ground.
The reason why a lot of us families are not the same anymore, because we buried the one that always keep the family together. We buried them alive. Did you hear what I just said? It's the sad truth.
Watch to the end.
20-inch. This is the cost for a 20-inch bundle is like 17,000
What is that?
Jamaican dollar.
But in US?
In US, $30 US.
Men have powerful testimony. Listen to this quick.
You know, some of them don't want to even send a voice note, nor if you even put, much less you put their face on social media. But the man texts me to the man and the man say, Auntie Lizzie, you remember one time when I call you and tell you, say, boy, my sperm count low and I couldn't get no baby? Him say, yes, if I buy the product, I say firm and the other one in front of you. At whom I gone now? Men, if you are suffering with low sperm count, call us up to get our blood cleanser and the Mr. Firm. The blood cleanser clean up the body, clean inflammation and promotes better blood flow. And when you take it with Mr. Firm, it make the blood flow more freely. And you know that it takes good blood flow to have good you know what and good you know that and good you know what. So call up Auntie Lizzie, 797-1176, 797-1176.
Spanish Town, hometown, yeah. Pick up and I'm ceiling. Green from left to all when it blood clot wire drop down, look up and I'm ceiling. Green for days. One daddy badness. We not put him out around and talk. One daddy badness. Pussy we not get it. All of the Babylon them. Be this to a threat. Make this be a threat. We're not gonna get it back. Spanish Town is going to be locked down. I'm sorry, I'm not talk this with no water in my mouth. No water, no filter. Yeah. Spanish Town is going to be a chaos. Can you know why? Daddy what you know daddy him come like a regular person, bro. Just like a regular man, the man jovial and kind. Him run joke with everybody along to baby them love him, man. And a dead brother. Dead bird.
Jamaica now, man, please.